Dealerships across the country are noticing some dings in their collision parts and service revenue. The era of collision avoidance technology is keeping cars on the road and out of the body shop. But what does this mean for dealerships' fixed ops revenue? If you look at today's new cars with their standard backup cameras, parking sensors, and ADAS, and you wonder if they'll ever need collision repair, you're not alone. One estimate predicts revenue generated from collision repairs will be cut in half in the next 10 years. Most of a dealer's wholesale parts business is collision parts. The average appraisal value per collision in 2018 was over $3,100, with $1,400 made up from parts. This huge revenue source for your fixed ops department is about to experience a crunch. Most dealerships strive for a 100% absorption rate, but a shifting auto landscape led to a Q1 2019 rate average of just 57% for US dealers. That problem is compounded by the fact that car sales are slowing. Your fixed ops department has to find new ways to cover overall dealership expenses, and fast. So, what do we know? Collision parts revenue is declining, collision service revenue is declining, and mechanical parts are making cars safer. What can dealerships do with this information to close the gap on fixed ops revenue? Download the guide to find out.